everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn another eye makeup. Firstly, I am using the Forever 52 ka gel liner with the shade number GT001, the darkest black, and applying the taping, and with the help of liner brush creating a liner effect. As you can see, now taking the flat applicator, the smudging brush, smudging the gel liner in a way you are seeing in the video. Just smudge it with very light hand, and you can see the result in front of you. Now using the brown eyeshadow with the help of smudging brush, applying it over the eyelid. Now taking the big blending brush, blending the eyeshadow and blur out all the lines. You can see how beautifully it turns out. Now using the highlighter from the brand PAC and the highlighter brush, applying it to the brow bone, to the inner corner of the eye. As you can see, now using the pearl eyeshadow in loose powder, and here is the look after lashes and application of pearl powder. And I have also done the white kajal pencil to the under eye, and now smudging the under eye with the help of smudge brush. If you want to see the tutorial for kajal pencil, you can watch our last videos. So here is the under eye smudging. Applying the mascara to the lower lashes of the eye, and the brand I am using, that is Maybelline Colossal. And here is the final look in front of you. this type of eyeshadow will go on any type of eye. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, practice.